What if artificial intelligence could design its own algorithms? Algorithms that are more efficient than anything humans have ever built? This isn't science fiction, it's real. And it's happening right now at Google DeepMind. In today's video, we'll explore a revolutionary system called AlphaEvolve, an AI that literally evolves smarter solutions on its own. Stay with me. You're about to see how the future of AI is changing again. AlphaEvolve is DeepMind's newest step toward building truly autonomous AI. Think of it as a system that doesn't just follow rules, it creates better rules. Using the power of evolutionary search, AlphaEvolve tests, selects, and refines new algorithms without human intervention. It's designed to solve problems in science, mathematics, and engineering by evolving code the same way nature evolves species. The result? Programs that are faster, smarter, and in many cases, totally new. Let's break it down. AlphaEvolve uses Gemini Flash to generate a wide variety of possible solutions. It acts like a creative mind, offering dozens or even hundreds of potential answers. Then Gemini Pro steps in. It reviews those proposals with more depth, like an editor refining a draft. But here's the smart part. These AI models don't work in isolation. Their outputs are scored based on two critical factors: how accurate they are and how efficient they are to compute. The top performers move forward. The rest are discarded. This cycle repeats again and again until AlphaEvolve finds code that works better than anything humans have written before. Now, this isn't just a lab experiment. Google has already used AlphaEvolve to improve its core infrastructure. In data centers, for example, AlphaEvolve helped redesign job schedulers. The result? A 0.7% increase in global compute availability. That may sound small, but across Google's entire infrastructure, that's a massive gain. It's also been applied to hardware development, specifically for Google's next-generation TPUs, and it even made Gemini itself faster. Thanks to AlphaEvolve, the training loop for Gemini AI models became 1% more efficient. Another amazing application is flash attention. This is a crucial part of how large language models process input. With AlphaEvolve's help, Google engineers redesigned parts of flash attention. The results? 3.5% faster on NVIDIA A100, 9.9% faster on A6000, and up to 32.5% faster on H100 GPUs. That means AI tools can work faster, use less energy, and scale more easily. Let's go deeper. AlphaEvolve isn't just optimizing code. It's exploring the frontiers of mathematics. DeepMind tested it on over 50 mathematical problems that already had known solutions. In 75% of the cases, AlphaEvolve rediscovered those known solutions. That's impressive on its own. But here's what shocked the researchers. In 20% of the problems, AlphaEvolve found better solutions than what we had before. One standout? The kissing number problem in 11 dimensions. It's a classic problem in geometry, about how many spheres can touch another sphere in a given space. AlphaEvolve produced a new construction that experts had never seen. These aren't just small improvements, they're discoveries. Let's pause for a moment. Why does this matter to you and me? Because AlphaEvolve is showing us what the next era of AI might look like. An era where AI builds software faster than teams of engineers. AI accelerates scientific discovery. And AI becomes a real partner in research, design, and problem solving. We're not replacing humans, we're extending our reach. With tools like AlphaEvolve, we can solve bigger problems in less time with better results. Of course, this kind of power comes with risks. Autonomous AI must be carefully guided. We need transparency, oversight, and strong ethical frameworks. Google has promised that AlphaEvolve will be open to scientific collaborators. That's a good first step. But we also need to ask, who controls these systems? How do we ensure they're used for the public good? And what happens when they're in the hands of bad actors? The road ahead is full of opportunity, but it must be traveled with care. AlphaEvolve is one of the most exciting advances we've seen in years. A true glimpse into the future of AI design. What do you think? Will systems like AlphaEvolve become common tools in science and business? Or do they represent a step too far? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big shift in AI.